Hey guys, it's your girl Anikeh and welcome back to another video on our channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make shrimp egg rolls. I know you guys are all at home, quarantined, and you guys have nothing to do, you're bored. Well, I hope this recipe is something that you can use at home when you want like a snack or you just want an extra add-on to your meal. Please be safe. Don't go outdoors unless it's absolutely necessary, anything essential to be outside for. Please be safe and let's continue to listen to the scientists so that we can stop the spread of coronavirus. Alright y'all, so please stay tuned to see how I'm going to make these bomb egg rolls. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also follow us on Instagram, lalove.content. I already cut up all of my vegetables that's going to be used to be sauteed. I cut up a full onion, half of a green bell pepper, and half of a red bell pepper. As you can see, the other halves are sitting over there. I'm also going to use 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. I'm also going to use a tablespoon of pure sesame oil, about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of oyster flavored sauce. And these are some of the seasonings I'm going to use. I'm going to use Italian seasoning. My camera's not focusing, sorry guys. A pinch of salt, chili powder, and this doesn't really give me the kick that I want, so I'm going to use hot chili pepper and black pepper. Bringing it over here, since we are making shrimp egg rolls, this is the shrimp I am going to use. I got this from Trader Joe's and it's already been pre-cooked, peeled, deveined, the tail is off, so it's easy and it can go right in the pan. And this is the egg roll shell that I'm going to be using. I got this from Giant and I'll post a picture so you guys can see the outside to see what it looks like. So that is all the ingredients I'm going to use. So now we're going to begin sauteing the vegetables. Your stove on high and just drizzle your pan with a little bit of olive oil. I could put a little bit more. And wait till it's heated up before you put your vegetables in. Now I'm going to add, I love me some garlic, y'all. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. And then I'm going to add the rest of my vegetables so they can be sauteed. I'm just going to mix it around until it is nice and brown. I'm going to start adding my seasonings. I don't really measure. I kind of eyeball stuff. And I know when it's enough. A pinch of salt. Some chili powder. I love my stuff spicy, but chili powder is just not enough. So I'm going to add some hot chili pepper. And a little bit of black pepper. Alright, so now I'm going to give that a good mix. I'm just going to keep stirring it as it gets brown. And you can use whatever filling you want in your egg rolls. This is just the stuff that I have in my house right now. I made some egg rolls last week, and I used carrot, celery, and onion. But I don't have any carrot and celery this time, which is why I'm using the bell peppers. So you can remix whatever you want to use inside your egg roll. You can use pork, you can use chicken, you can use whatever. So my veggies are nice and brown. Now I'm gonna add some shrimp. I'm not gonna add the whole bag because it's not needed. This is gonna be enough, and I can save it for next time. I'm just gonna mix it in so that it gets all that good flavor. This has been cooking for about 3 minutes, and now it's ready for me to add the goodness to it. So this, adding the sesame oil, and I eyeball it, but it's about 2 tablespoons, and about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. About it. And you want to go easy on the oyster sauce because it really can sneak up on you. So about 1 tablespoon of that. Ooh, and it smells so good in here, y'all. If y'all can only smell what I'm smelling right now. Shout out to my baby who's behind the camera right now shooting this. Don't it smell good, babe?
Smell good. I'm ready to eat.
Yes, it smells amazing. Mix it all in so that every inch has some good flavor. Alright, y'all, so my filling is done. It has soaked up the sesame oil, the soy sauce, and the oyster sauce. So now we have come to the step that can be a little bit challenging. I'm going to show you guys how to put the filling inside the egg roll wrap. I previously made egg rolls last week, which is why it is in this Ziploc bag, so I could save it for today. But what I do is I put it on a flat surface, and I put it into like the diamond shape, into a diagonal. And then I get a scoop of the filling, and I put it right in the middle. I'm going to add a little bit more. I put it right in the middle. And then what I do is I take one side, and then you're going to scoop it, and you're going to roll it very tightly. I roll mine twice. You take one corner, fold it in, take the other corner, fold it in, and continue to roll it to the end. And it's going to make the egg roll shape. And I'll show you guys that again, and I just keep doing that until I finish out my filling. So again, you're going to keep it into like the diamond shape, put the filling in the middle, take one side, fold it in, and tuck and roll. I roll mine twice so that it's nice and snug. Take the corner, tuck it in. Take the other corner, tuck it in, and roll. Place the wrap in a diagonal. Put the filling in the center. Tuck it in and roll it tightly. Roll twice. Tuck in the corner. Tuck in the other corner. And roll. And that is the easiest way to make the egg roll shape and to keep the filling to stay inside so that it doesn't unravel when you fry it. Hot and ready for me to go. I'm gonna go ahead and start frying my egg rolls. You always want to make sure that where the flap is, that's where you want to lay down the egg roll inside the pan so that it'll quickly cook this part so that your filling won't escape in the pan. So you always want to put the flap down inside the pan. And don't put your stove too high because you don't want your egg roll to burn because they do cook pretty fast. And I normally just put as many as can fit. I'm probably going to do one more. And you want to leave it so that each side cooks at about 1.5 to 2 minutes per side. And I'll just flip it so that each side can get golden brown. Alright y'all, so this is the finished product after they have come straight out of the pan. It is nice and golden brown. And it smells so bomb in here. It's so delicious. I cannot wait to go ahead and try it.
The good taste.
Babe is about to try it. And be honest, tell them your review. It's good?
The crunch. The spice. I had to go back in. Dive in second time. Hear that crunch? That's so good. Thank you, baby. I need to do this more.
It is so amazing. So amazing. Okay, y'all, so that is my recipe of how I make my shrimp egg roll. And again, you can make your egg rolls however you want. You can make your filling out of whatever you have. You can really spice it up or dull it down, do whatever you want to it, make it a vegetarian type, use pork, use chicken, use beef, use different types of vegetables. You can use coleslaw, you can use cabbage, carrots, or whatever you have. You can use to make your egg rolls. Have some fun, remix it, and yeah, just have fun doing the recipe. If you guys would like us to do some more cooking tutorials, let us know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it, if you want to see some more cooking tutorials, and yeah, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. And last but not least, go ahead and follow us on Instagram. And until next time, guys, bye.